Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure cryptocurrency investments with Coinbase step by step clearly. Create an account on Coinbase by visiting their website or downloading the mobile app. Click on Get Started to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Coinbase account using your new credentials. Complete your profile by providing your personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID. Choose your preferred payment method to fund your investments. You can link your bank account, credit card, or use other available options. Go to the Assets tab to view different cryptocurrencies available for investment. Select the cryptocurrency you are interested in purchasing. Click on Buy to initiate the purchase process. Enter the amount you wish to invest and review the transaction details. Confirm your purchase and wait for the transaction to process. You can track your investments by navigating to the Portfolio section. Explore additional features like setting up recurring purchases if desired. Consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Stay informed about the market by checking price trends and news updates regularly. Continue to educate yourself about cryptocurrency investment strategies as you grow more comfortable. Review your investment performance periodically and adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.